Hopefully everything's going well. I just thought I'd take some time to go over a few Teamsnap things with you concerning our management of the spares. I will go right into it. If you guys could find your way to your main page on your Teamsnap, and we'll go from there. So you will see in My Teams and Leagues, when you now register on Teamsnap, you'll see your Old Timers team down here, but you'll also see that you have My Leagues. What we've done here is we've given you commissioner access to certain things. So example, Pat, Mark, and Dario, you all have commissioner access to the spares based on your different divisions. I have commissioner access for the entire league, so you'll see everything in here, essentially every different division that we have. So just to get started, in the spares division, if you all click on it, you'll see that Pat has commissioner access for everything, and what I'll do is I'll give every person commissioner access for all the spares so they can see how things are going on. But what we've done here is we've taken the spares roster without defining them what spare they're going to be in, excuse me, what spares division, and we just threw them all in there. So I really don't know who's going to be in what division, so this is where you guys are going to have to manage that for us. So everyone's name is here. Once you're in the spares division, you'll see every spare on the roster, regardless of what division they're in. So you'll see some guys here like Jim Allen. I haven't assigned him yet. However, Danny Bain's been assigned to the A division spares. If I try to go down here a little bit just to see Francois, okay, he's in spares for the A. Paul Chesser, well, I know Paul is an A spare. What I can do here is change his team, and I can click here, spares A division, save new team. So now Paul will be considered part of the spares A division. What that gives Paul, it gives him access to see the entire schedule for all the A games. The way we've done this, and to go quickly into just using the A division spares as an example, I'll go in the A division team. And what we've got here is we'll have, it looks a lot like what your, I don't know, Les Willettes or what your Christmas mini team might have looked like, but this is just what the spares will see for the A division. They can see who else is a spare, but they can also click on availability, and from this point you can see who's available for the different A games. So all we did was we named them home versus no names. So it's essentially everyone's going to click if they're available or not. So in this case it's Pat. So say Pat has defined that, okay, he needs Steven Freytag for this game. Pat can go in as a commissioner and actually write a note saying you're confirmed to play for the Moulet. And you can leave that up to Steve to see that if you want, or you can send him a little note on the side so he can see that once he goes over. Let me get rid of that just in case he gets on there. What you can also do is go and change somebody's availability saying, no, you're not needed this week, and write a little note saying you're not needed this week. And then what you're doing is you're leaving the guys responsible to come onto Teamsnap to see if they're playing or not that night. As you can see, Steven is right on that. We have a few other guys that are still working to get on it. We go back to the roster, you will see who so far we've defined as being part of the A's. Now, I've also included on this video Jerry, because I know Jerry takes care of the referees. So if I can go back to our main page, clicking on the referees now, Jerry will start to have 3 teams. I will create a 4th team that's a no-name team. We'll have 3 referee teams he can manage. You know, if Cliff is a ref in the A division, the B division, and the C division, well, he can put his name in 3 times, and Cliff would go through those different schedules. So right now I have no roster, I have no schedule for the referees. I can add in that really quickly, as we did with the spares. But I'll have to be talking to Jerry a little bit to see if this is something that he wants to try to work out for the rest of the year and work with it, and if it's something that can help him for next year. All right, guys, I hope there's no questions. If there is, please give me a call, and I hope you guys are promoting using Teamsnap within your teams and getting everybody signed up, because the more people that are signed up, the easier it's going to be to use it next year and also to make sure that it's a success, seeing as we're spending a lot of money on it. All right, guys, have a great night. Bye.